What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because today we have a Shein haul, but it's gonna be a little different from my previous hauls that I've done for Shein. And for today's video, what I wanted to do was recreate a famous artist, somebody that has style. And to me, that was definitely Rihanna. A lot of you guys voted, posted on my Instagram which one you wanted to see, and you definitely voted for Rihanna. And I wanted to try to recreate some of her outfits. Anyways, I'm gonna be showing you guys some pictures right here of the outfits that I'm going to be recreating and sharing with you guys the pieces that I did get from Shein, so you can get an idea that you can also dress up like a celebrity if you want to, but at an affordable price. So the first outfit that we are going to be trying on is actually this blazer. By the way, this was supposed to be done like around last month when it was still pretty cold, the beginning of April, and the clothing didn't get here on time, and I just took too long to make this. That's why you see so many long sleeves, because this was supposed to be made back in April, honey. Okay, but anyways, let's try it on and show you guys some of the pieces. Every time you get something from Shein, most likely you're gonna have to iron it or steam it, because they do come a little bit wrinkly. One of the outfits that Rihanna is wearing is a blazer like this one, and also a sleek silk skirt, and that's exactly what we have here. I'm super proud of myself that I was able to find something like that. So let's go ahead and put it on and show you guys how it looks. Okay, you guys, so the first outfit consists of basically a blazer, beigey kind of like look, just like this one. She did rolled up her sleeve like this as well, and she's wearing the skirt, which is a silk material, and the skirt that she's wearing is definitely up to her knees, but mine were super long, so I had to kind of like roll it up to kind of imitate the whole outfit. And she also wearing a cute purse, which looks like a white, or I'm not sure what bag is that or how much the outfit costs, but I hope I can find it and I'll put it right here for you guys to see the difference between the two outfits, how you can recreate an outfit and make it look expensive without spending too much money. So the only thing that is not from Shein is the heels from Shoe Dazzle. And as you guys can see, the blazer doesn't have any buttons. You could just use a pin like I did and hold it together for this outfit or any kind of outfit. The skirt run a little bit big, you guys. All the sizing and everything that I got this in is going to be in the description below, so make sure you guys check that out. Hope you guys like the first one. Let's go on to numero. Okay, you guys, so the next outfit, she's wearing some ripped jeans, very baggy style, as well as another blazer that kind of looks like this one. She's also wearing some sunny style like these ones. I'm so proud of you guys the way I recreated these outfits, because they are so freaking affordable. So again, she's wearing like a blazer. This one is not really a blazer, this is more like a jacket. As you can see, it does has like this string on the waist to kind of like cinch you in. This material is very lightweight as well. It's very like thin, but it's not see-through, which I really like, because you can maybe use it in the summer nights when it gets a little bit chilly. If not, forget about it. She also wearing some ripped jeans, definitely a little bit more baggy than mine. I feel like I have really thick thighs, so anything that's supposed to be baggy never looks baggy, at least not on me, at least not on my thighs. It's just like impossible. But this is basically the outfit. She's also wearing a Louis Vuitton bag, which looks a little bit like squarish. This is the only thing that I can find similar to that. So hey, we did a pretty good down job. Let's show you guys the whole fit. Again, from glasses, I think we did a pretty good job. The only thing that I did not find something similar to that, it's her shoes. Her shoe has like some sort of fur, and I don't have any furry shoes. Okay, so once again, you guys, the blazer and everything is from Shein. Even the jeans, this is a like baggy boyfriend ripped jeans. It's very ripped, as you can see. The only thing I don't like from Shein jeans is that they always come super big on the waist. Other than that, you guys, let me know in the comments what you thought of this outfit. Like, did you like it? I am so happy, because this is something like I would not pair up together, so I am excited to show you guys what's next. Let's continue to outfit. Alright, you guys, so this next outfit is pretty much like the last one, because she's wearing something like oversized baggy top and like baggy ripped jeans as well, with a little bag. So this outfit, she is wearing more like a jacket with a hoodie also attached to it, and it's white. So I couldn't find something similar to that, so this is what I went with. Just a top like this one, and just laid it like flat back like that to kind of imitate that what she has going on. As well, she's wearing some ripped jeans. I kept the same ripped jeans from the last outfit just because it just makes sense. I don't have another ripped jean like this one. I'm not a big fan of ripped jeans, so this is what we're sticking with. She's also wearing a fairy Louis Vuitton bag. Do not even know what that bag is, sis, but we are going to be recreating that with just the same bag that we already used, which is this one right here from Shein. If you could find a fairy bag, that would be even awesome, but I don't think that bag is really hard to imitate since it's a Louis Vuitton, probably a limited edition kind of like bag, not sure. But this is the outfit we went with. She's also wearing some heels, like silver kind of heels. Don't have silver heels. I don't like silver. So, but again, you guys, just let me know in the comments, what are your ratings on these outfits, on these recreations? Like, let me know your ratings. I don't know, I would give this maybe like a 6 out of 10 because I am missing a few things, but I did a pretty good job, you know what I mean? So right, you guys, moving on to the next. Okay, you guys, so this next outfit, it's more like a slip-on, super easy, basic kind of dress that she was wearing. Her dress was definitely a little bit more pink, a little bit more sexier. I am not a big fan of these kind of dresses because especially exposes a lot of like shoulder, and I have a lot of stretch mark on here and I don't like showing that. So I just went ahead and paired this up with a black purse like this one and the sunglasses to make it look a little bit cuter. She's not wearing any like kind of accessories like sunglasses. In the picture that I found, she's just wearing the dress and some nice pink heels, which I don't even have pink heels, honey. So there is that. So the dress is from Shein. Once again, it's more like a slip-on kind of dress. You just slip it on. It does have some stretch to it. It definitely has a silk finish, and the material, it's so soft, you guys. It also has this polka dot design, super cute. So I paired it up with also this purse, mini purse from Shein as well. It's just so freaking cute, and the glasses are also from Shein. So this is kind of like the outfit. The waist, it looks so big too, but I really like how I paired it up, even though it's not exactly the same. But hey, this is just a recreation, you guys. Next outfit, again, super simple and easy to recreate. She's wearing a white striped blazer with some jean shorts. I do not own jean shorts, you guys. I know, so surprising, but I do have a jean skirt which kind of like helped out. And I really like how easy this was to put together. She's wearing some like orangey strappy heels, which I did not find, so I'm just wearing again my white little sandals. Definitely came in handy for this whole entire haul. I really like the blazer, you guys. This is from Shein. It definitely feels very comfortable on the skin. It's very thick as well. I wouldn't recommend this for the summer, definitely not. But for right now, like, the weather's not that hot and it's not that cold. This is like literally so perfect. And it looks so cute. She is wearing it like this, so it's nice. I really love this recreation. Let me know in the comments your rate on this outfit, because I really like it actually, you guys. Like, I would never thought to put this together. So this skirt, I did get it from Agazi store, which is an online store. I don't know if that store is still alive, I'm not sure, but yeah, that skirt from there. Super cute. Love this outfit. Let's move on to the next one. And like I said, you guys, all of the outfits are going to be linked down below in the description, so in case you're interested in any of these pieces and you want to dress like Rihanna, check out the links in the description. Anyways, let's move on to the next. Okay, you guys, so the last outfit consists of this like super pretty pink, light pink shirt or peachy shirt with some baggy sweatpants in black, and also a leather jacket. Again, I know it's super hot here, especially in the States. It's pretty much hot. Hopefully somewhere somebody is watching this that it's still like pretty cold and you're able to get this, because it's pretty hot right here. So anyway, this outfit is super chill, super laid back. She does wears a lot of, I noticed that, you guys, she wears a lot of baggy stuff, which honestly, it's very comfy style. So I'm so happy because it's gonna come handy for these days that going out anywhere. But if you still want to look cute and look comfortable, this is it for you. This is right here. So yeah, you guys, this shirt, again, this whole outfit is pretty much from Shein. Even this right here, this leather jacket, which I got a very long time ago in a size large because it did run a little bit small. This, I don't even know how many years I have of this. This is literally maybe 5 years old. If I'm not mistaken, it's pretty old, you guys. Like, this jacket is old. The sweatpants are also from Shein. I really like them because they're super thick. They cinch on the waist and also on the ankles. I just really like this material. It's stretchy also, so it's nice. And the shirt as well, super comfortable. It feels very lightweight on you. The sunglasses are also from Shein, honey. Like, everything on deck from Shein. And let's go ahead and show you guys this final look. This is the end. This is pretty much the end of the video, you guys. I really hope you found this helpful, found some inspo here on some outfit style, on some comfy outfit, or if you want to dress like Rihanna, hopefully you found some inspo here. Anyways, let me know who you would like me to recreate next. I think that would be super fun, you guys, to watch. Who would you like me to recreate their outfits? I really like Patricia Bright. There's an influencer here on YouTube that does a lot of fashion, so I really like her style as well. So let me know in the comments who you would like to see me recreate some outfits from. But without further ado, babes, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.